Hello student, welcome to the next session of the information theory, coding and communication network. So we are discussing the unit number 1, that is information theory and source coding. Let's have the discussion on some of the numericals based on the concept of entropies, how to calculate the different entropies as well as the mutual information based on the formulae which we have seen earlier. So this is what the problem statement given to us is related to the binary symmetric channel. If it is asked to identify which type of channel this is, you can easily identify it based on the nature of the channel. Like here, the probability is 0.8 associate x1 with y1. Similarly, here also the same value is provided, associate x2 with y2, and for x1 with y2 it is 0.2 and this is also 0.2. It means when these crossing probabilities are matching and these two are matching, this type of channel is nothing but the binary symmetric channel. More thing is over there that probability transition probability matrix for this one, addition of row will be 1. Row wise, if you add the elements, you will get the addition as a 1. This is what one of the channel diagram given to us. P of x, that is the probability of input messages are given, it is 0.6 and 0.4. So two input messages are there. This is the probability associated with x1 and this is the probability associated with x2. So p of x1 is 0.6, p of x2 is 0.4. Next is conditional probability matrix is provided, that is p of y given x. This particular matrix is prepared based on the nature of the channel diagram. So this is what the channel diagram right now with us. This left portion is nothing but the channel diagram. Based on this channel diagram, we are going to prepare here the channel matrix, that is p of y given x. Here the first element, let me just highlight this first element, that is 0.8. This first element is nothing but what? y1 by x1. So to determine this first element y1, that is output, when the x1 is when the input is x1, so when the output is y1 and the input is x1, the path which is associated is this one and the related probability is nothing but 0.8, that 0.8. So this is the reason why I have written here the 0.8. Similarly, if I want to check it for the other things, let's have it for, let's say, this value 0.2. How this particular value is coming? It is only because this value is nothing but actually again related to the first column, so it is y1 by x2. Similarly, this 0.2, this is nothing but the y2 by x1 and this is nothing but the y2 by x2. Let's check y1 by x2 from this figure itself. So when the y1 is nothing but this output and x2 is nothing but this input, so for this particular line 0.2 is nothing but the value, so I have written here the 0.2. So this is the reason why we have written these values, and obviously since it does have the inputs and two outputs, so based on it total 4 values will be there for p of y by x. Based on this channel diagram and the given values of p of x, we are being asked here to calculate the h of x, that is entropy of the transmitter, entropy of the receiver, hxy, that is the joint entropy, conditional entropies, as well as the mutual information. Let's proceed one by one. We do have the identity, that is pxy, that is the joint probability. How to calculate the joint probability? That is with respect to the formula, that is p of x into p of y given x. So if we do have the availability of p of x, this is what the p of x. If you multiply this p of x first element, that is 0.6, if I multiply this first element, let me just write it here, 0.6 to 0.8, this is nothing but 0.48. Similarly 0.6 into 0.2, that is 0.12. Next time I need to multiply this 0.4 with 0.2, so it is 0.08. 0.4 to 0.8, so it is 0.32. So this is how p of x has been multiplied to p of y given x. So we got here pxy. So once we got pxy, it is quite easy to prepare the hxy, because if you are able to grab the formula which we defined for the hxy, it is simply minus summations xy to log pxy. So obviously whatever the things we got over here, this first element is nothing but p of x1 y1, this is nothing but p of x1 y2, this is nothing but p of x2 y1, and this is nothing but p of x2 y2. Let's concentrate for the p of y. This is what the second calculation which we need to do for finding the p of y. P of x into p of y given x, again the same thing which we are going to do over here. So it will also give the same output. So for getting the p of y, let me add one more thing over here. I will add elements present in the first column. So these are the elements which are present in the first column. So this addition 0.48 plus 0.08 will give me 0.56. Similarly, if I add 0.32, it will give me 0.44. So by this way actually we will get the pxy as well as the next value, that is py. Let's proceed to the further analysis how to get the hx, hy. For getting the hx, very easy to calculate it is. Okay, hx is nothing but with respect to the formula, that is p of x into log p of xi. Let's vary the probabilities. If you able to concentrate what exactly px, this is what the value of px, that is 0.6 and 0.4. Let's put the same values, 0.6 log 0.6 plus 0.4 log 0.4. This is giving the value as a 0.9708 beats per symbol. So this is all about the hx. Similarly, to calculate the hy, I will have the values, that is 0.56 and 0.54. Sorry, 0.44, that is for the py. Once I know the probability of output, then I can easily obtain the h of y, that is the entropy at the receiver side. So just put these values, that is it will be like 0.56 log 0.56 plus 0.44 log 0.44. This can be written like 0.56 log of 1 upon 0.56 to the base 2 plus 0.44 log 1 upon 0.44 to the base 2. So by solving it, we will get this answer, that is 0.9895 beats per symbol. Try it by your own so that you will get the actual what exactly happening over there. Now let's proceed for the next. H of x given y. This is what the formula for calculating the h of x given y. P of x comma yj, it can be obtained from this matrix itself, 0.48, 0.12, then 0.08 and 0.32. So for this one, directly you may calculate from this matrix along with the matrix of p of x given y. Otherwise we can have the simplified expression, that is hxy minus hy. Before that we will calculate here hxy. So how to calculate hxy? For this expression, hxy is equal to minus summation xy log xy to the base 2. This minus sign is only because we have taken it like log. If someone takes it like log 1 upon p, no need to add the minus sign. So this is how the reference of xy, this particular matrix, will get the values, that is 1.692 beats per symbol, that is for the hxy. So by knowing this hxy value, put the same value over here. Hy is already calculated, that is 0.98. So 1.692 minus 0.9895, it will give the value, that is 0.7025 beats per symbol. Same thing is applied for the h of y given x. Again for this one, h of x given y, already we calculated here, minus hx, which is calculated in the earlier stage like this. So we will get it 72 approximately beats per symbol. Once we got all these entropies, now only the thing is remained, that is to calculate the xy, that is mutual information. So it can be calculated from hx, hy and hxy. So by knowing this particular expression, hx plus hy minus hxy will get the value as a 0.26 beats per symbol. So this is all about how to calculate the different entropies based on the channel diagram. If it is given, how to prepare the related channel matrix, which is just shown over here, how to prepare the channel matrix based on the probabilities, and more importantly, once you got of y given x, how to prepare of xy, which is nothing but the joint probability matrix, and from this joint probability matrix you can easily calculate the hxy because it is perfectly related to the xy. So once you calculated this hxy, just use the hxy along with the hx and hy to get the x given y and h of y given x. This is the simple trick to proceed to solve these kind of problems, and surely these problems are helpful for solving the numericals based on this one, and probably it is asked mostly for minimum 8 marks in the exam. So thank you everyone, thank you very much, and try for these examples, and similar these examples you can try out other examples also. Thank you very much.